हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of business economics and economics for managers and managerial economics or microeconomics. Today topic is demand schedule and demand curve. It is a statement in the form of a table that shows the different quantity in demand at different prices. That, in other words, tabular statement of price and quantity demanded that are called demand schedule. The demand schedule shows the exactly how many unit of goods or services will buying at each price. Using the data, economists and industry analysts can create a demand curve. Both the curve and schedules describe the relationship between a goods price and quantity demanded of that goods. Demand schedule allow economists to predict the quantity demanded at given prices. The relationship between price and demand is known as the elasticity. By studying the number of demand schedule, one can quantify the elasticity of a good or services. There are two types of demand schedule: individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. Individual demand schedule is the tabular statement of individual tabular statement of individual at different price of different quantity demanded at different prices. For, for example, 100 price individual quantity demanded is 50. At price 200, individual quantity demanded is 40, and 300 individual demand is 30, and 400 individual demand is 20. This relationship shows the inverse relationship, and this statement in tables, that is the individual demand schedule. Individual demand curve. It is graphical representation of all individual demand schedule, that is the demand curve. Market demand schedule. It is summation of individual demand schedule and depict the demand at different customer for commodity in relation to its price. In other words, summation of all individual demand schedule, that is the market demand schedules. Market demand curve. Market demand curve is the summation of all individual demand curve. Thank you.